It's so hard waiting for the lights to go out. My time was wasted on your own self-doubt, and I would give it all for us to go back to what we were before it all drove you into the arms of her.
Hey, what's up you guys? So I'm now in school. I'm at school now. I'm in the restroom and nobody's here, thank God, because it's so freaking early. And if somebody comes in, I'm gonna have to hide my camera. So I'm going to the corner. It is the week before finals. I only come to school Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I just realized this sound is probably gonna be horrible. So I'm gonna keep this brief. So yeah, I have school right now from 9 to 2:50. I'll try to check up with you guys around. All right. You see, I try to look cute today. Oh, can you move, honey? Yeah. Hopefully I'm getting this in frame. My top's from Forever 21, and these are from American Eagle. And then my hoops are from Forever 21 as well. But yeah, so I'll check up with you guys around through the day and see you guys in a bit.
He was like, oh, he was boring.
Her coworkers are in love with her.
Wait, are you recording right now?
Don't vlog this!
You lit a spark, but blew it out before we could begin.
Oh my god. Who is she? Oh my god. Who is she? Over my shit. Thank you, Plea, for picking me up. Alright, so we're on our way to school. My school. I was gonna say class, but school basically, because I'm staying the day. Oh wait, no, we have 2 classes today, each of us.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cute. But yeah, shout out to Plea for picking me up. This is all copyright in the background.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I just realized.
Hold on. Oh, thank you. She turned
That's
on
just
music.
hard. Okay, someone needs to either hurry up or slow down. Let me just fuck in.
Who is she? So we're going to class. It's our last normal day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, next week is final. Oh wow, I was not even in frame. Next week is finals. Hello, people of YouTube. You know what? This is just a taste. We're thinking of making a podcast. It never happened.
It's because we're busy, ho. I'm busy. You're semi-busy.
Come for my wig, sis. Oh my god.
Alright, we're meeting on the freeway.
So this is just a taste of whatever the hell we were gonna do with the podcast. So hello. I know. Me too. Me too.
Just exhausted.
Just exhausted. I don't think people realize how exhausting college is. Like genuinely.
And I work a job. I have a job.
Alright, we're turning this off. Oh my god. No, but I mean, yeah. I had a job last semester and I did not enjoy it. I just didn't enjoy my job. No, I like my job. I just hated my boss. Watch him, he sees this and he sues me.
And what? Like, what the fuck, bitch? What was he gonna sue you for? Nothing.
Yeah, you're right. We are not saying his name.
No, we're not saying the place, we're not saying his name.
I don't even know his name anymore. You know what? I bumped into a girl. It turns out I had a girl who worked in my class.
Says the name of the place.
Oh shit! I'll bleep it out.
Just bleep it out.
who worked there the whole time. This is so hard. Okay, you know what? We're gonna close it so we can actually talk. We actually have hot goss to talk about.
We have hot goss?
Yes, we do. Last night.
Oh, true. Oh yeah, turn it off.
Hot goss.
We need to talk about this.
We need to talk about that. All right, guys. Well, I'll catch you guys at school. I'll vlog around there. Yeah. Bye. Hello. We just got to class. We're late. It's okay. It's okay. Crying on the inside.
Crying. I literally just don't give a fuck anymore.
Honestly, this is our last day. How many people do you think came?
2.
It's Jay and Victoria.
Yeah. They're like, woo!
More of that. Good content. David Dobrik wishes he had this. Ew. Because you're like. Hello, ladies. Hi, sisters. These are these crooked? Or is my face just? Hi, sisters. What are we up to today, Vivian?
Today we're spending $10,000.
Don't show them your card, you idiot.
Oh my
Challenge?
It's free. $10,000.
$10,000 challenge?
Challenge.
Challenge?
Unboxing $10,000 worth of shit.
Yes.
Who has money?
At
Tapaka?
Sponsored by.
We're buying the menu 10 times over,
Oh, shit.
20 times over that, and then 40 times over that.
Shit.
$10,000.
I'm ready. Are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
Getting ready for food.
Is not buying anything.
I know, I'm like, I have $4 to my name.
Do you know what to do?
Hello, who is
I'm
she?
already tired of this.
What is this? Ew, it has aguacate. I don't like aguacate. Yeah. Vivian, you gonna show up to the club like that? What the hell, Vivian?
Oh wait.
Yo, I know it's fucking Cinco de Mayo tonight.
You got reminded of the fun. I said Snapchat. Mukbang. A burger, fries, a drink. They're hella from Coronado.
You've taken all the courage